Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Myself Karthik Chopra, and today I will be explaining my mass housing project guided by architect Sachin Gulve. In order to understand mass housing typology, that is basic of mass housing, designing approach and designing government factor, I did a case study Asian Games Village by Raj Riwewal. Here I got to know that how to form cluster, the placing of block with respect to contexts and needs, the importance of segregation of vehicular movement and pedestrian movement but closely interlinked by convenience. Now I've moved forward to site analysis. For the better understanding for the zoning and designing purpose, the site study was done. Context. Surrounding of site is majorly in development phase. There are small commercial factories in surrounding to the site, due to which small pockets came into the picture of residential blocks. The major access to the site is 30-meter wide. Most of the area around the site is barren. The total gross area of site is 19,721 square meters. From the 30-meter wide road, we get our major axis. The 12-meter wide road which leads us to the amenities which is placed at the center. We can see heavy plantation all around the site, majorly on the south side. It is to block the noise coming from the main road. Location plan at 1.2 meter level. The placement of the blocks is done so they get equal amount of connectivity. The main apartment are placed in the starting of the site so that can be viewed from the far distance and can serve as landmark for the site. The other reason is that they can obstruct the sun gain from the south side and cast shadow on the green patch. These are site section used to explain design of space, that is height of space according to human anthropometry for comfortable and proper use of space. These are amenities which are placed at the center. These are for the leisure purpose of the people of the society. Apartment. At lowermost level, there are three individual units of 2 BHK which get a separate entry from outer phase. Each floor plate contain a cluster of 1 RK, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and a 3 BHK unit. The basic layout of flat is that you enter, you get living, then the dining, followed by kitchen and rooms, that is transition of public to private space. The apartment blocks has a central core containing a pair of lifts, a fire duct, a electrical duct and a plumbing duct. The apartment blocks at every alternative level are rotated at 8 degrees. For the better understanding of all the levels, these are the individual floor plans. Ground floor unit and the basement 1 and 2 for the parking. As we can see, the living area and dining area, public areas in front, then the semi-private area, that's kitchen, and the private area, bedroom at the back side. Further, we move on with the 3 BHK and 1 BHK unit. It are combined so that the unit can easily combine with each other and can be made a bigger unit, as well as the phenomena of public to the private space is here also demonstrate. These are certain views of the site. Twin bungalow, a 4 BHK module. The twin bungalow is designed in a fashion that each room has a degree of privacy along with a separate open space for relax. At lower level, the most of the space is public, with living, dining, and a guest bedroom. And at level 2 and 3, other bedrooms are situated. 3-meter height difference is there with a combination of open and closed outer spaces. At west side, there are majorly balconies to act as buffer space and to cut heat gain. Row houses, a 2 BHK module. The basic idea was clear while designing. The lower level will be public and upper level will be private. With a combination of kitchen and living dining at lower level and bedrooms at upper level. Row house is designed to give a degree of privacy along with the habitable space with low maintenance. East face is containing mostly glass to welcome indirect light. Bungalow, a 5 BHK module, the most spacious and big unit. At lowermost level, there is a set of living and dining along with the bedroom. At the upper levels, two bedrooms are situated at each floor. Space are designed that they give a feeling of grandeur and should be comfortable to live. You stay home, stay safe.